Hey Plant Gang, I want to do a couple of house plants, some interior plants, plants that are known for the benefit that they bring to the inside of the house. House plants are very popular, and when I say house plants, I just mean house plants that you have inside. The one that's in front of me is one of the most popular house plants right now, and when I say right now, it's because house plants fall in and out of fashion. Some are popular at some points, and then they lose popularity, and then there are some that are less popular during different times. This one is very popular right now. It's called Monstera deliciosa, or the Swiss cheese plant. The Swiss cheese plant. It is called Swiss cheese plant because it's got these holes in its leaves like this that make it kind of look like Swiss cheese. This one that I have in front of me is kind of a small one right now. This is a tropical vine that can grow up trees and get quite large, and so people will stake this up in their house. And it becomes quite beautiful and gets very large leaves. The specific epithet deliciosa means delicious because it does produce a fruit. You really won't see that as a house plant, but it is something that does happen. Monsteras are species of evergreen tropical vines/shrubs that are native to Central America. They're famous for their natural leaf holes that really gave rise to this nickname or this common name, the Swiss cheese plant. They're aroids, they're in the Araceae family, and that's because of the shape of their flower. When you have this in your house, it really thrives in bright to medium indirect light. It's not really suitable for intense sunlight. You can plant this outside in more of a shady situation during the main part of the growing season, but if it did get any frost or even really approach frost, this plant would die back down to the ground or completely die altogether. Here's a landscape tip. This is an easygoing plant that is generally pest-free. Plant outside in the shade during the growing season.